So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect your Oraimo FreePods 4 to your smart TV. So the first thing you need to do is make sure these Oraimo FreePods 4 are unpaired or forgotten from any other devices they were previously connected to, and then possibly even reset. I'll leave a video in the description on how to reset these Oraimo FreePods. But if they're brand new and you just want to connect them to your TV, then here's the process. Open the case and take the FreePods out of their case. So you can see them right here, they're in my hands. Now the left one will blink red and green. You can see that rapid blinking, and that basically means they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. So that means you can now go to your smart TV's Bluetooth settings. Of course, that should depend on the TV you have. Mine is an LG. I'll come to all settings. Then I'll go to general and I'll go to devices, and then I'll go to external devices, and then I'll go ahead and select, or maybe I'll just go to the sound settings. Like I said, it varies from TV to TV. So for this one, I'll go to sound out and then select use wireless speaker. And then go to the right there, select that, and then it's going to start looking for devices to connect to. So given that my FreePods are in Bluetooth pairing mode, so I'll just check if they're still in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now if the light stops blinking, it means they're no longer in Bluetooth pairing mode. So what you want to do is just quickly put them back in the case like that, and then close the case, wait for that light to disappear, and then take them out again. And you should see they'll go back to Bluetooth pairing mode. As long as that light is blinking, they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now on the TV, you can now search again. And as you can see, the Oraimo FreePods 4 have been detected. All I have to do now is select them and they should get connected. There you go. So it says Oraimo FreePods 4 is connected, and that is basically how to connect your Oraimo FreePods to your smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.